Chapter 2 test review. We've got 2 more problems to go, 14 and 15. So let's quickly knock this out. Volume of a cylindrical footing is given by that formula. Volume is equal to pi r squared h. Solve the construction formula for r. Again, no numbers are involved here, just manipulation of the formula. I'm going for r. That means the pi and the h have to go. The pi and the h are both multiplying r squared. So in order to break that, I'm going to divide by both pi and h. Pi h over here. And divide by pi h over here. And you can see that the pi's reduce out, and so do the h's, leaving me with just r squared. I want to get r, not r squared. R squared is interesting, but not what I want. So in order to take off this exponent, I'm going to have to undo the exponent. I'm going to do the opposite of squaring, which is square root. So I'll be taking the square root of this side and the square root of this side. That action takes that off, leaving me with just r. And finally, I'm just going to reverse that. And that's the end of that guy. Finally, one more to go. 15. Moment of inertia. Solve for d. I is equal to b d cubed over 12. I'm going for d. Multiply both sides by 12. So I get 12i is equal to b d cubed over 12 times 12. The 12s drop out. Little cleanup. Divide both sides by b. I'm going to save one step here by just doing it in that equation. The b's drop out, leaving me with d cubed, 12i over b. And finally, to get g, I'm going to have to do the opposite of what this guy is doing. I've got a cube going on there. So I'm going to be taking the cube root. Cube root of this side, 12i over b, and the cube root of this side. This cube root undoes the cube, leaving me with just d. 12i over b. And finally, I'm going to reverse the sides. Okay, so that's the end of our test review, and I hope that you practice these problems and study things a bit, and you should be doing just fine on the test.